enough of you and Julie, 'cause I've heard it all before. And every day it's the same old story, really. You say she's nicer on her own, and she's really insecure. But you're the one with the problem, you see. I don't really care. She says you always let her down, and all the boys in the hometown, all they wanted was a one-night story. Hear me, I'm past the point of saying please. You got me begging on my knees. I've really had enough of you and Julie. I know it's unfair, but I don't really care, because you and Julie, you set me right in the middle seat. And I could try, but I'd never find the right thing to help you out of this chained up melody. Every day, it's the same old story. I hope that you'll be happy ever after, the sound of harmony and laughter will echo round